Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Haren. And do you want to speak English? You don't have confidence to speak in front of camera. You feel shy, you feel hesitate. So today I will tell you the solution of this everything situation. So English is not a tough language, and particle do you want to do, and rhythm and process by which you are doing this is not true. What is the problem? I feel shy in front of camera, I cannot speak English, and lot of people have a misconception. They say to everyone, I cannot speak English, I do not have idea how to speak English, my grammar is weak, my vocabulary is weak, I cannot speak English. But it is not it wrong. You can speak English, but you have to follow some tips by which you can improve a lot. Yes, so today I will share. Let's learn something new today. If you really want to speak English, so you have to follow some tips, advice. So today I will share. If you want to speak English, so you have to first learn basic grammar. Yes, you heard right. Grammar is also important to speak English fluently in front of lot of people. You have to make a strong foundation. Foundation build your confidence. Foundation build your power. Foundation build your fluency. Yes, you have to focus on a basic grammar and foundation. Your foundation will be strong, then you can speak English. Yes, you are here right. You can speak English. I am also speak English because I did not have any single idea in my past. I did not have a much vocabulary, but now I can speak English because I have a confidence and I work on it. Foundation. I am work on foundation. Yes, you heard right. So first you have to work on foundation. Then foundation will be strong, you automatically feel comfortable with this language. You can speak English, definitely you can speak English, but misconception is that you have a self doubt. You cannot believe in yourself. You have a self doubt. I cannot speak English, English is tough, this is not for me. But it is only a myth. Yes, you have to try to speak English. You have to make a sentence. Definitely, you can improve a lot by which. Yes, you have to try, and you can explore all these things. And we can say that your atmosphere. You can explore. Try to speak English. Open your mouth. Without open your mouth, without practice, without, we can say, the fear, without hesitation, you can speak whatever comes your mind. You have to speak, deliver in front of people, in front of camera, in front of mirror, by which your confidence will be boost, your everything will be boost, your personality will be boost, definitely. But you don't have a self doubt, you believe in yourself, you work on it, you make a plan by which you follow these plan 1 month, 2 month. But you have to follow what you make a plan, you have to follow strongly. Without following your plan, you cannot achieve anything. Yes, you are here right, because I am telling you, this is my own experience. I am facing a lot of problem while speaking English, but now you can see I can speak English because of my hard work, because of my smart work, because of my practice. Yes, you can also speak English, but you have to follow these advice. Without follow these advice, you cannot speak English. If you can comment in my this video, yes, I can speak English, I want to speak English. If you want to connect with me, so please definitely you send me mail in my mail ID. I will help you. Whatever I know, I will help you, because I am doing this type of activity every day. Okay, take care. Bye bye.